Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I'm going to show this master lock that I showed really briefly when I was picking my stubby 425. So this, get a little bit closer look at this. So this is the master lock, and this is the outboard motor lock. And if we take a look on the back, basically showing you how to use it. You can see the tube here, and the master lock sits inside there. And to install it, basically when you have your outboard motor on your boat, you turn those screws there, slide this tube over those screws, and then lock it up. So obviously I showed this with the 425, but I figured we'd go ahead and take a look at it. This one in particular, because this is a 430, so a different master lock. And I cut the package open, but I haven't even taken it out yet. So we'll do that right now. Maybe. There we go. I got it. Well, one thing I can say about this lock is if I ever saw this in the wild, sitting on the back of a motor, I don't think I could. Like, what the heck? But yeah, here it is. So here it is, the tube, little metal tube. Feels pretty hard. To me it seems like it'd be easy to cut it open, but and then you can see how the shackle goes in that end, and then you can see the lock. So the biggest difference that I can see right off, they look like they're the same size, but this is brass and a black plastic bumper on it. And here are the keys. Oh, those aren't too bad of keys. So let's pick this out of the pack and see how we do, how I can fare with doing that. I would think it would probably be about the same as the other one, and the same as all the other master locks. What the heck? My focus. There we go. That's going to be my swear word lately, I think. My focus is not doing very good. So I think we're okay there. So let's try pin 1. Nothing too much there. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 3, we've got some good. There's a click out of that. Work under pin 4. That feels like it's ready. There, a good click out of that. So pin 2. This definitely makes it more challenging being in this thing. Okay, I think I got a click out of that. Let's try pin 1. There we go. Got it open. That was not very difficult. So I assume this is like the other one. Yep, that shackle comes out. That's kind of dirty. And then there's the lock that comes out. So there we have it. Yeah, just like the other one. Only this is brass. There's the key. Lock that back up. We can see how, yeah, the key does work. Looks, kind of has a coating on it or something, feels like. So there we have it. This is our master lock number. We'll take a look at the bottom. There's a 430. It also has a little bit of a part that sticks out there. I kind of wonder if that's there to help make sure that somebody doesn't try to pull the lock out of there or something. Kind of cool though. Anyway, so this is the master lock number 430. And there we have it. Good look at that. Let's get zoomed in here for you guys so you can see that key bitting on there. It's pretty not bad bitting really. Anyway, so there we have it, our little master lock number 430. And so that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you leave a like, and definitely leave comments down below and tell me what you think about this little outboard motor lock that I got. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day.